Hi, welcome to my screencasting video. Today we are going to look up how to play the piano. Now obviously there's less than a minute, so we can't really teach you how to play the piano, but I can teach you about the keys. So on a piano, these white and black things are called keys, and you can play them with your hand. There are 3 black keys together and 2 black keys together here. And right next to the 2 black keys that are together is a note called C. So there's a C, there's a C, there's a C, there's a C. Now if you have a piano at home, you can go and look at the C's on yours too. And so it goes A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then it starts over A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So there you have it.